Hi all, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an A0 file size in Adobe Photoshop. So the first thing you want to do is open up Photoshop and then go to New File here. And then in the preset details, we're going to call it A0 so we know what it is. And then in the width, make sure it's in pixels. So if you have anything else set, just go to pixels. And we're going to type in 14,043. And in height, we're going to select 9,933. And resolution, we'll keep it at 72. And color mode, for this example, I'll just use RGB color, but if you're printing, you might want CMYK. And then we'll just click create. Once you've done that, you should get something like this. And then if you want to rotate this, simply go to image at the top, go to image rotation, and select 90 degrees. Once you've done that, the image will be rotated. So if you need anything else, just drop us a comment in the comment section below.